fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
This is the most important thing for me, guys. That is, okay guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abhijit. Yes guys, you seen the correct one. This is none other than the Canon PowerShoot HD1000 Digital LF. This is the most oldest thing in our house, guys. I found before 3 days. My father told he bought this camera in 2005. This is most expensive in that time for my father. This cost 8,000 rupees, and now I will show in the time what is the camera features they offer and what are the megapixels and what is the clarity, and I will compare the modern camera to this camera. I will keep aside and I will show the difference, guys. So stay tuned. Hope you see this video up to end. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, starting from this side we have one zip. This is one leather bag, guys, and for carrying they gave this. Opening this, first zip we have one thing, guys. Wait, I will open this. Here we have, wait guys, I will keep all things on my bench. Okay guys, these all things there in this box. I am keeping this box aside, and this is the charger for this camera, guys. This is the battery. We should keep this battery this side, and this is a converter, guys. It will convert this to this by using this. We should keep like this, and we should plug into the port, and this is the indication, guys. And this is a micro SD card. In that time, for buying this camera they gave free this SD card, guys. This is also in that time only. This is SanDisk company, and here you can see clearly, guys, this is 2007 29C made in China. This is a micro SD card, guys. Wait, I will open this. See guys, this is a micro SD card. This is only 1.2 GB, guys, and the king of this show, the main camera, guys. This is a Canon PowerShoot HD1000 Digital Alpha, guys. Here they got Canon. This is the lens, guys. We can see from here, and this is a laser light for focusing. This is a torch. This is the main lens and camera, guys. Here they got 7.1 megapixels. Here they got 5.8/17.4 mm, 1:2.8/4.9. This is Canon zoom lens. This is provided with 3x optical zoom, guys. Here they got the model. See, Canon PowerShoot HD1000 Digital Alpha, and this is a 2.5-inch IPS LCD display, guys. I am really sorry, the display is fully damaged. You can see little amount only, and here so many buttons are there, guys. This is menu button. This is display on off button. While we are taking image, we can on or off display. This is main unit, guys. Camera settings, flashlight settings, ISO settings, all we can control from here, guys. Here we can take photos. Slightly we down this, guys, video will come, and after that also we slightly down this, means what we took in this camera, the pictures will appear here, guys. And this is a speaker. When we on the camera, it sounds different, and this is for copying these pictures to laptop. If you want to see these pictures in mobile, simply in this micro SD card keep this in mobile, guys, and the images will come. Here they got Canon, and here this is, sorry guys, this is for zoom. This is 3x zoom. This is for more, guys. This is on off button. This is for on off button, and here also they got PowerShoot HD1000 Digital LF AI AF they got, guys. So first we should install the battery. We should take this like this guys, and opening this inside like this it will be there guys. So first we should insert battery. See guys, like this we should insert here. This is a locking system guys. We press this like means battery will come out. If we press again like this means it will lock. And the micro SD card also we should keep like this guys. We should press one time means it will go inside. Another time we press means it will come up guys. Closing this. And I will show the quick overview guys. This is all metal and this is plastic guys. This is the tripod come gorilla mount. And for hanging they gave tag guys. This is for copying the images. And this is the on off button. I'm oning this camera guys. See guys, it came like this. I already told the display is very damaged guys, please adjust. This is a beautiful camera guys, I love it. This is very handy and easy to carry pocket camera guys. See the lens how it will come. See guys, and from side this is guys. This is the camera guys, and this is for zoom guys. This is indicator guys. When we on it turns into green, and when the battery is low it will turn into red. And when we zoom this the lens will come in front of us guys. See, I will zoom in. See, carefully observe the lens guys. See, it moved. And here also guys, see the lens came. Again the lens gone. We want to zoom means the lens will come up guys, otherwise it will go. And here also we can see guys, this lens also will come and go. See guys, the lens went here and the lens came. From here we should see and click the photos guys. This is a laser light, this is a torch. While we are taking photo, the laser light will work like this guys, and the torch will work like this. This is very nice camera guys. I love this camera. Up to now also the clarity didn't went anywhere guys. Very much clarity is there. Now the phones are coming with 64 megapixel camera, but the clarity is not this much guys. This is only 7.1 megapixel camera, but clarity is so much guys. Megapixel doesn't matter guys. Only the sensor used in this camera is only the matter. In this very nice sensor they used guys. The display is very bad guys. I can't show you anything. When we press this function button, it will come like this guys. This is the camera settings. See, normal, manual, digital, macro, portrait also there guys, night snapshot there, color ascent there, color snap there, kids and pets menu is there guys. And these are some settings according to the photo we are taking guys. After that, when we press this button, the flash guys, I kept in auto guys. And when we press this like means ISO, auto or high, we can select like that guys. And this is for shot, single shot or self timer 10 seconds, 2 seconds, custom timer. I am selecting single shot guys. When we press, red light will come. After that, photo will come guys. Menu like this. I will show some photos guys. I will take photos with this camera, and I will take photos with another phone. I will compare the two guys. Up to now, wait guys.
The next day.
Okay guys, I took some photos with that Canon camera and Vivo Y15. I compared with that phone guys. This is Vivo Y15, this is Canon HD 1000 camera guys. So I take these images. It came like this with Canon Vivo, and sorry guys, and this is with Canon, this is with Vivo guys. See the clarity guys, and this is from Vivo. See here guys, this Vivo phone launched 1 year back guys, and this Canon camera launched before 15 years. Wait guys, and this is from Canon camera guys, this is from Vivo guys. See this, see this clarity guys, and from Vivo, very poor camera, and this is also guys. This is also guys. See, this is from Canon, this is from Vivo, and I focused sun guys. This is from Canon, this is from Vivo. 3x optical zoom is there guys. This normal zoom. So these are the images guys I took from Canon and I compared with Vivo. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, like, and if you don't like the video, dislike guys. See you in the next video. Bye.